Mama cat is warning her little kitty not to watch scary movies before sleep. But baby kitten doesn't listen. When she goes to sleep, the monster came out of the screen. She tries running away. Turns out she just had a nightmare. Little kitty was going back home from school. He was passing the street when an evil driver going his way. He hit the little kitty and ran away. Little kitty survived. And the police caught the evil cat. A happy new couple getting married. So happy and in love. They go through life together. But what he thought was love. Turns out she's been cheating all along. The mama cat is rushing to the hospital because she is giving birth. Huh? She got into an accident and is badly hurt. The poor cat lost her baby. This cat can't get enough of eating candy. But he doesn't have enough money. So he comes up with an idea. He is stealing as much candy as he can. The police are catching up to him.